Hi, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Rabbit R1 AI gadget. But first, I want to thank all our subscribers who helped this channel reach 1,000 subscriptions. With your help, we can make this channel grow even more. Faceless channels are often a target for criticism, and people think these videos are made with a push of a button. Well, not in this channel. Every video I make takes hours of research and editing. While it's not perfect, I'm still learning every day how to make videos with better quality. You guys are my motivation, and I'll keep making videos as long as you, the channel subscribers, keep supporting me in this journey. Again, thank you, and now let's dive into today's subject. The Rabbit R1 made its debut in January 2024 and was an instant hit, promising a new category of device and a new way of interacting with the apps and services that we rely on every day. Co-designed by Teenage Engineering, this charming sidekick gizmo could take pocket gadgets to the next level. It's like a smartphone, but with an intuitive, unified AI-driven interface. That means that you don't need to interact with individual apps and websites. It could be the face of one of the biggest tech trends of 2024. Liu is the brain behind Rabbit, an AI startup that's not aiming to replace your smartphone outright, but their new $200 R1 gadget is so innovative that it might just redefine how we interact with technology down the line. The first 10,000 units of the R1 have flown off the shelves, and pre-orders for the next batch are now open, set to be shipped this spring. This device doesn't look anything like a regular smartphone. The R1 is about half the size of an iPhone and resembles a modern handheld device, sporting a sleek 2.88-inch touchscreen, a cool rotating camera for photos and videos, a nifty scroll wheel for easy navigation, two far-field microphones, and a push-to-talk button on the side. R1 also have a SIM card slot. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and has USB-C fast charging capabilities. Rabbit claims battery life can last all day on a single charge. It's powered by a 2.3 GHz MediaTek processor, packing 4 GB of memory and 128 GB of storage. To use the R1, you need to push the side button and give it a voice command, and it will get the task done on the apps connected to the OS. The design collaboration with Teenage Engineering gives it a rounded, lightweight feel. But the real magic lies in the Rabbit OS, a unique operating system and AI combo. Forget juggling apps and logins. Rabbit OS acts like a universal remote for your digital life. Need to order a car, play music, or send a message? Simply ask and let the R1 do the rest. The on-screen interface presents category-based cards for easy access. Unlike other AI devices, Rabbit's not bothering developers for support. The device uses Rabbit's proprietary large action model to execute tasks, along with OpenAI's GPT-4 model to understand your spoken requests. They've trained their large action model on how to use existing apps by having humans interact with them. So whether it's Spotify, Uber, or any other app, the R1's got it covered. The Rabbit R1 is designed to handle not just tasks, but errands, which are more complex and involve multiple steps. For example, it can research travel itineraries and book the best option for you, or add items to a virtual grocery store cart and then complete all the necessary steps to check out. To enhance the R1's capabilities, Rabbit is collaborating with Perplexity, a company focused on developing advanced natural language AI. Perplexity is a San Francisco-based startup with ambitions to overtake Google in the AI space, which is no wonder that it has already received investments from the likes of NVIDIA and Jeff Bezos. Perplexity's core product is an AI answer engine that can understand natural language queries and provide relevant responses in real time. This allows it to power search and question answering services. But it goes beyond basic LLMs with additional training on diverse datasets to expand its knowledge. Powerful cloud APIs enable companies to integrate Perplexity's technology into their products to handle natural language interactions. The key benefit of Rabbit's collaboration with Perplexity is integrating the AI answer engine directly into the R1 device. This will allow the gadget to deliver live updated responses to user questions by querying Perplexity's models in real time. Most consumer AI devices rely on underlying language models that while impressive, cannot be frequently refreshed with new data. But the R1 aims to provide access to the latest AI capabilities by connecting to Perplexity's continuously updated answer engine in the cloud. This could make its responses more accurate and knowledgeable compared to offline systems. Perplexity will be providing up-to-date search results without the need of any subscription. That said, the first 100,000 R1 buyers will receive 1 year of Perplexity Pro subscription, normally costing $200 for free. This premium service includes features like switching between multiple AI engines, file uploads for context, and quotas up to 300 queries per day. Now, here's the cool part. A dedicated training mode lets you teach the R1 new tricks, and it promises to remember and repeat those actions on its own. But how does it all play out in real life? The R1 has its own web portal called Rabbit Hole, where you log into your various services. And if you want to teach it something advanced, like Photoshop, Rabbit's got virtual machines to make the learning process a breeze. Once the device learns the task, you can then press the button and ask your R1 to do something you alone have taught it. Rabbit's approach is smart. They're not trying to reinvent the wheel with a new operating system. Instead, they're teaching their gadget to be a master of all apps. It's like ChatGPT for web search, but RabbitOS for the App Store. A fresh and intriguing concept. Also, Rabbit stressed that the phone respects your privacy since it starts listening only when you press the side button, while the rotating camera also gets blocked when not in use. The company claims that the response time is fairly minimal, even though the processing happens in the cloud, and the phone has long-term memory to fine-tune future responses based on your preferences. Listening to Liu talk about RabbitOS and the R1 leaves us wondering about the bigger picture. It's not a smartphone replacement, but it's not just a voice assistant either. With its screen and camera, the R1 sits somewhere in between, promising to be both a nifty accessory and the all-in-one future of tech. The R1 may not be ready to replace your phone, but it's certainly paving the way for a tech revolution. It's clear that devices like the Rabbit R1 are more than just gadgets. They are the beginning of a new era where our digital and physical worlds merge, powered by AI that understands us a little better. And that's it for today's video. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you in the next one.